Hello, I'm Samson, a co-founder of AugustFame. We are specialized in plants like Succulents, Platycerium, and Tillandsia, along with a wide range of gardening accessories. I started this business in 2017 out of my love for plants, immersing myself in plants research, amplified my passion for this cause and drive my work forward. At AugustFame, we cultivate over 300 unique and exotic plants. Species include agave, aloe, astrophytum, cavotia, and more. We dedicate to eco-friendly planting practice and have a community supporting this cause. We currently have a 6,000 square feet eco-friendly farm and a retail shop. Our products are available both online at augustfame.com, Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok, as well as offline. As a business owner like me, who is running offline and online business, we need a very powerful system that can help our daily operation and marketing activities. I am so glad that I get to know SiteGiant OMO solution, online merged offline. Basically, it has the solution that exactly what I need the most to execute my plan and vision for my business. Throughout my retail experience, after implementing SiteGiant post and membership apps, it has helped us double up our sales and increase our client repeat purchase rate by 2 times. It's all thanks to SiteGiant OMO tools that allowing us to create various promotion campaigns that pass on our creation. For example, we voucher, cashback, voucher, and member day. And from now on, becoming AugustFame member, you will get reward point each time you purchase our product from offline or online. Ultimately, this will give our customer more value than before. Now, they are enjoying more saving and benefit. To me, membership apps is a very important because my ideology is to promote the hobbies of planting eco-friendly plants. We want more people to start planting, go green, and we don't want them to stop this hobby. Therefore, by having membership apps, I will create stickiness relationship between AugustFame and our client. Once members download our apps, it will be there to stay. Then members can easily browse our product, claim voucher, check their member points, and we can even send them push notification to inform our latest promotion. Speaking about SiteGiant Post, it's very easy to configure. I just got to download SiteGiant Post apps to my Post device, then log in my account and stay using it. The interface wise is very easy to navigate. When we have offline roadshow event, I can easily just bring my tablet to the event and it will serve as a post system. So this is another cool feature that I like about SiteGiant. Besides, SiteGiant also comes with ERP system that I use in stock control, product uploading, and then once product uploaded, it can be easily synced to my offline and online channel. Moreover, they also have built-in web store that allowed me to build my own e-commerce website easily. In terms of SiteGiant support service, they are very helpful from the beginning until the present. They even come and visit us to collect feedback and educate us, which is very impressive. Today, it's very hard to find a system like SiteGiant. I would strongly recommend business out there to check out SiteGiant to strengthen their business. SiteGiant is the best.